Personal credit score 680. Useful but not everything. Loan denied. Personal debt blocks business opportunity. Business credit with a Paydex of 80 unlocks power. Approved. 100,000 business-only credit line. Multiple business cards. Tools for growth, not lifestyle. Your personal credit score is a report card on your life. Your business credit score is a key to the vault. 3 years ago, my business was denied for a $10,000 loan because of my personal debt. Last month, I was approved for a $100,000 line of credit without a personal guarantee. My total business credit footprint now exceeds $1 million, and it has nothing to do with my personal score. Today, I'm revealing the 5-step system to legally separate your business finances and build a $1 million credit profile. Welcome to BotBuilt, where we build systems for financial leverage. Most entrepreneurs make a fatal mistake. They use their personal credit for everything. This caps your growth and puts your house at risk. The wealthy don't do that. They build a separate financial entity for their business. This is how you play that game. 5 steps to the $1 million business credit door. Step 1. The unbreakable foundation. You cannot build business credit as a sole proprietor. You need to create a separate legal entity, an LLC or an S-Corp. This creates a legal wall between you and your business. Then you need an EIN from the IRS. It's free. This is your business's social security number. This is the non-negotiable first step. Step 2. The business identity. To creditors, your business needs to look real, not like a hobby. This means a dedicated business bank account, a business phone number like Google Voice, and a professional business address, not your home. You need to be listed in the 411 directory. Lenders check these things to verify legitimacy. Step 3. The starter vendors. You won't get a credit card from day one. You start with net 30 trade accounts. These are vendors like Uline, Quill, and Crown Office Supplies that report your payment history to business credit bureaus. You buy $100 of supplies, pay the invoice on time, and they report it. This is how you build your first trade lines, the foundation of your score. Step 4. The tier system. Credit is built in tiers. Tier 1, net 30 vendors, Uline. Tier 2, store credit cards, Amazon Net 55, Home Depot. Tier 3, fleet cards, Shell, Chevron. Tier 4, cash credit cards, Capital One Spark, Brex. Tier 5, bank lines of credit and loans. You must master one tier before moving to the next. Never skip steps. Step 5, the reporting and monitoring. You must know your business credit scores. The big 3 are Dun Bradstreet Paydex score, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. Use a service like nav.com to monitor them all. Your goal is a Paydex score of 80+ by paying every single bill early. This is how you get pre-approved for offers. This is not a magic trick. It takes 6-12 months of disciplined work. Many early cards will require a personal guarantee, which still ties you personally. Too many applications will hurt your score. And most importantly, credit is a tool, not free money. It must be used strategically to finance growth, not lifestyle. Misuse will destroy both your business and personal credit. The goal isn't just $1 million in credit. The goal is financial separation. It's having your business qualify for its own loans, its own cards, and its own lines of credit based on its own merit. That's how you build a real, durable asset. What's the biggest hurdle you've faced with business funding? Let me know in the comments. For a free list of my exact starter vendors and a step-by-step application guide, the link is in the description below. If you're ready to build a business that stands on its own financial feet, subscribe to BotBuilt. Let's unlock that vault.